Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best hair detangler is probably one of the most essential tools in any hair care routine, especially for those who struggle with knots, tangles, and general unruliness, as it works by coating the hair strands with conditioning agents that help to smooth the cuticle, reduce friction between hairs, and make combing or brushing significantly easier and less painful, ultimately preventing breakage and leaving your locks feeling soft, manageable, and looking healthier with every use. Number 5. Marc Leave-In Hair Conditioner Spray. Are you struggling with knots and tangles? Our leave-in conditioner spray is designed to make detangling a breeze. Say goodbye to frustrating knots and hello to smooth, manageable hair. Want longer, healthier hair? This formula is enriched with biotin to help promote hair growth. It works to strengthen your strands, reducing breakage and split ends. Give your hair the moisture it craves. This spray provides deep conditioning, leaving your hair feeling soft and hydrated. It's the perfect solution for dry and damaged hair. Tame that frizz. Our leave-in conditioner spray helps to reduce frizz and flyaways. Achieve a smoother, sleeker look with every use. Combing through your hair shouldn't be a battle. This detangler spray works instantly to loosen knots. Enjoy effortless brushing and a more comfortable hair routine. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or straight, this spray is for you. It provides the benefits you need without weighing your hair down. Experience the difference it can make. What we like. This one is specifically designed for those looking to achieve longer, healthier hair. Its formula helps combat split ends and breakage, making it ideal if you're on a hair growth journey. If you struggle with frizz and need deep conditioning, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It controls frizz, doesn't have a harsh smell, and works for my combination hair type. It doesn't leave a weird film and helps my hair feel smooth. After spraying on their thick hair, I don't hear them say ouch that hurts anymore. Smells good, not greasy looking, makes hair super soft, able to comb through curls and straight hair. It left my hair very soft, very manageable. Still, I haven't used it long enough to see growth, and I'm also taking vitamins too. I will purchase again for moisture because I don't have to re-moisturize until like day 5. Number 4. Milkshake Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Tired of struggling with knots? Our leave-in conditioner spray is designed to make detangling a breeze. Say goodbye to tugging and hello to smooth, manageable hair. Specifically formulated for natural hair textures. It gently works through your strands, providing the moisture and slip needed to detangle without breakage. Experience the nourishing power of this leave-in treatment. It not only detangles but also leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft and hydrated. Enjoy the benefits without the weight. This lightweight spray won't weigh down your natural hair, keeping it looking and feeling its best. Simply spray it on damp or dry hair and comb through. It's the perfect addition to your daily hair care routine for effortless styling. Achieve healthier, more beautiful hair with every use. It helps protect your strands while enhancing their natural beauty and manageability. What we like. If your hair is naturally textured or you prefer products with a more natural approach, this is worth considering. It excels at detangling without stripping moisture. Choose this if you want a gentle yet effective solution for managing natural hair. What people say. It works beautifully on all our hair types. One daughter has curly, wavy hair and the others and I have straight hair. It never feels heavy or greasy and makes brushing so much easier. Leaves my hair soft but doesn't weigh it down. Nice, clean, floral scent. It smells so good and makes the hair feel amazing. It is lightweight and doesn't leave any kind of film or grossness. Helps with detangling, great with curly wave hair and also straight. Keeps your hair soft and shiny. Number 3. OUAI Leave-In Conditioner and Heat Protectant. Introducing a revolutionary leave-in conditioner and heat protectant designed to prep your hair for any style. It's the perfect first step for effortless styling. Tired of knots and tangles? This spray works wonders as a detangling solution, smoothing out your strands with ease. Say goodbye to frustrating knots. Achieve a sleek, polished look by combating frizz and flyaways. It helps keep your hair smooth and under control, no matter the weather. Formulated without parabens, sulfates, or phthalates, you can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. Enjoy healthy-looking hair with a clean conscience. Whether you're styling or just need a quick refresh, this versatile product is your go-to. It simplifies your routine while delivering exceptional results. Get your hair ready for anything with this essential prep spray. It enhances manageability and protects against heat, ensuring your hair looks and feels its best. What we like. This option is perfect for anyone who frequently styles their hair with heat. It not only detangles but also provides crucial heat protection, minimizing damage. If you're looking for a multitasking product that preps hair for styling while taming frizz and flyaways, this is your go-to. What people say. It makes brushing through my hair so easy without any tugging or breakage. It also doubles as a heat protectant, which is perfect since I use a blow dryer or curling iron most days. It's a lightweight detangler and heat protectant all in one with a luxurious smell. It also makes the hair feel moisturized without weighing it down. The frizz that I'm used to getting after drying has gone down so much, and my hair has been bleached, box dyed and has fallen out. It is very well worth its money. Number 2. SoCozy Detangler Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Are you tired of struggling with knots and tangles in your child's hair? Say goodbye to frustrating brushing sessions and hello to smooth, manageable locks. We've created a solution that makes detangling a breeze. This leave-in conditioner spray is designed specifically for kids' delicate hair. Not only does it work wonders, but it also smells amazing. Enjoy the delightful fruity tooty fragrance that your little ones will adore. Simply spray it on damp or dry hair and watch the magic happen. It detangles instantly, leaving hair soft, shiny, and easy to comb. Our gentle formula is perfect for everyday use. It nourishes and protects, ensuring healthy-looking hair without any greasy residue. Give your child the gift of tangle-free hair. This 8 fluid ounces bottle is a must-have for every parent. What we like. For parents dealing with little ones' tangled hair, this is a lifesaver. Its gentle formula and fun scent make hair brushing a breeze. If you need a detangler that's safe, effective, and enjoyable for children, this is the one to pick. What people say. This is probably the best detangler I have found for my damaged 4C Afro natural hair, and I have tried several over the years. The spray on this, and on the leave-in, dispenses in a fine, circular mist so that it coats more strands in one spritz. Because this works so well, I was for the first time to do most detangling with my fingers. For the larger sections of hair, I used a wide-toothed comb, but at no time did I have to use my special detangling brush. The lack of breakage was impressive. Number 1. Pantene Pro V Repair and Protect Detangler Spray. Are you struggling with knots and tangles after washing your hair? Say goodbye to the frustration of combing through difficult strands. We're excited to introduce a revolutionary solution designed to make your hair care routine a breeze. This product is specifically formulated to tackle those stubborn tangles. It's enriched with a powerful nutrient boost to help repair and protect your damaged hair. Experience a transformation as it works to restore your locks. Infused with antioxidants, this formula actively works to shield your hair from further damage. Protect your strands and keep them looking healthy and vibrant. As a leave-in conditioner, it provides lasting smoothness and a brilliant shine. Enjoy hair that feels soft, looks glossy, and is easy to manage all day long. You can trust its gentle, sulfate-free formula, making it suitable for all hair types. It cleanses effectively without stripping essential moisture. Stock up and save with this convenient 3-pack. Ensure you always have this essential detangler on hand for effortlessly beautiful hair. What we like. This is an excellent choice if your hair is damaged or in need of repair. The Pro V formula works to restore and protect, leaving your hair smoother and shinier. If you're looking for a sulfate-free option that helps revive distressed hair, this pack offers great value. What people say. This spray is a game changer for my hair care routine. It works wonders in detangling even the most stubborn knots, leaving my hair smooth and manageable without weighing it down. Formulated with Pro V nutrients and enriched with antioxidants, the spray not only detangles but also nourishes and strengthens the hair. After consistent use, hair feels softer, smoother, and less prone to breakage. One of the standout features is how lightweight the formula is. It doesn't weigh down the hair or leave a greasy residue, which is a common issue with some leave-in conditioners. This makes it perfect for daily use, even for fine hair, as it doesn't add any unwanted heaviness or oiliness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.